What's happening, guys? Safety Liner C2 here. I ordered a group of brochures off of someone. These are said brochures. They're not all school bus. We're just going to take a look at the school bus ones in here because they are fairly interesting. But we will quickly glance at the other ones in there as well. Let's see if I can get this open. Let's take a look at these brochures. So first off, you can see there's a Mercedes-Benz, what is that, 039D bus. I have absolutely no idea what this is. This looks to be some sort of, well, it's not from here, obviously. It's not from the US. This is a foreign bus. So I'm not gonna, we'll just flip through it just real quick. I'm not seeing anything too interesting other than there's a back trunk right there, but we also have the engine in the front. So we have a couple papers in here talking about the bus. So interesting. And let's see, what is this? A lease for said bus as well. But cool. So just very quickly, but figured I'd show that off. As you can see, that's what we're here to look at, this and this. But we are going to set these aside and we're going to take a look at this Winnebago Series 19 bus. I wasn't aware that Winnebago actually made buses. I just thought that they were all RVs. And it looks like this is actually a really fancy brochure. Take a look at this manual door right here. We would have, you can see the driver's area is up here, and the door would be kind of right where this window is, so it would be behind there. So take a look at just how long that manual door lever is. So fascinating. You can see the bus right there, or the driver's area. I wish there were more brochures kind of like this. This is a really nice brochure. But anyways, that's still not what we're here to look at. We are taking a look at these two Collins brochures, and we're going to start off with this one right here. So Collins Industries presents Econobus. Take a look at this beautiful, beautiful Collins right here on the front. Do we have a year on this? This is going to be 1973. Take that. And also notice that this is from Bluebird Bus Sales of New Mexico. Interesting. So let's see if we can open it up and see what we can find in here. Absolutely gorgeous. Very stereotypical older Collins. These are exactly, you know, what you would think of as an older Collins bus. Take a look right here, though. This is the one interesting thing. This wheelchair ramp here. Let's see, which picture is this? Doesn't say which one this is, but we have the Collins safety ramp, Safety Liner, of course. Those are two different brands, but still. It was designed with the heaviest wheelchair combined occupant in mind. Spring-loaded, it can be operated by releasing the lock with a one-finger operation. Ramp folds inside using only 2 square feet of floor space. U-channel tracks eliminate slipping off the ramp. Stair treads are non-skid. Perforated aluminum. Safe traction for the attendant. So look at this. It's like little steps. I have never seen that before. That is different, and yeah, I can't say that I've seen anything like that before. So let's take a look at some of these features over here. Driver operated door. Wow, what a feature. Split sash windows, heavy structure, crash rails, all steel interior, fully padded big bus seats, wide center aisle, fully padded stanchion, and safety entrance steps. So just a very quick brochure right there, just a couple pages, but figured I would share that. Here we go. This one's a little bit bigger. This is the Superbus. Is this also from 1973? this is also from 1973. And take a look at this. This is from Wayne Bus Sales, and not the Bluebird Bus Sales, but this one is also in Kansas City, and that one was in New Mexico. So, see what we can find in here. Take a look at that right there. Can't read exactly what it says on top of the picture, but obviously a lot of weight thrown on top of the bus, just showing how strong it is, how strong this structure was. And you can see the interior structure right here, so really interesting. And also notice the square warning lights right here. You know, obviously these are a little more squared off than what you would normally see. Still really interesting. So, here we go. Quick look at the interior. We can see the driver's area right here. Windows getting in the bus with the van style door. We have all of these different chassis options, of course, GM, Ford, and Dodge. We have some different floor layouts right here. Take a look at this one down here. Wheelchair plan number 4. We have four wheelchairs in the bus. So no standard seating, just all wheelchairs. So that's really interesting right there. On this page, we can see just what we saw in the last brochure, just a little bit better. So you can see how this ramp folds up into, it just kind of splits in half and then folds up. We can also see a color picture of the other one, and we can just make out those stairs a little bit better. So the attendant would lower them down and then they would step on the steps. So clever idea for the time, but we also have something a little more what we would be used to today, just an automated thing that goes up and down. So the safety lift. So there's that. Let's see, make your super bus even more comfortable and versatile. Choose from our complete list of options to meet your needs and requirements. So we have 8 ways. We have a couple different stop sign options, seat belts, first aid kit, froster, heater, ventilator, cross view, and yeah. And then over here it just looks to be a brief history of Collins. We can see some of these chassis that they would have used again down here, and again just kind of a brief history of that, and that is it. So I just wanted to show these two off. You don't see a whole lot of Collins stuff, so I was really interested when I saw these come online, and to get these, and even these brochures, while I'm not as interested in them, still really cool to flip through as they are bus things. So yeah. Now, as always, everything is going to be scanned, properly archived, and uploaded to my Flickr. So if you would like to take a more in-depth look at any of these brochures, including these two, I will be doing that, and we'll be uploading all of those in the near future. So be on the lookout for those. My Flickr is down below if you are so interested. And yeah, so anyways, that is going to do it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I always do appreciate it. Make sure you subscribe right down here. It's magical red button that says you are now subscribed to Safety Liner C2. Make sure you comment up here, down here, over here, or over here. I don't know where they put it, don't care where they put it. Make sure you also give this video a thumbs up, or next time we're just going to get all Winnebago brochures. And make sure you also share this video with a friend, show it to your mom, show it to your dad, show it to a guy on a random street. I don't care, don't let anything happen to you. So yeah guys, that's going to do it for this video. Thanks for watching.